Welcome to my unboxing and first look at a Fractal power supply that is an all-new series for them. So they're completely reconfiguring their power supply lineup, and they are bringing them into the, whatever century we're in, I can never remember. So 80 plus platinum, NVIDIA SLI and AMD Crossfire certification, a 5-year warranty, and it doesn't get much more beastly than that, does it? What do they have to say for themselves here? Well, first, there's some plastic that needs to go on the floor and go away. Okay, so a bunch of other languages. English on the back. Here we go. So the Newton R3 series power supplies provide clean power efficiently and silently, demanding for gaming computers and ultra-quiet media PCs. The visual appearance is proof of Fractal's commitment to providing innovative computer components infused with stylish, elegant, contemporary Scandinavian design. Excellent electrical performance with DC voltage regulation and variable suppression. They can deliver their full rated wattage continuously, even with intake temperatures as high as 50 degrees. Wow. Okay. Certified with the latest graphics card. 80 plus platinum certification means we're pretty darn near 90 plus at this point in time, guys. So the Newton 1000W, they're saying it's actually above the 80 plus platinum bar, pretty much across the board. So it only dips below 90% at the very, very, very end of its output capacity, which for most users, even for most very high-end users, you're not going to get anywhere near that with a gaming system. Oh, check this out. Semi-passive fan operation. The fan only kicks in at 50% load and then ramps up from there. Outstanding, assuming you're in a well-ventilated case. Love seeing that. Long life ball bearing fans, compliant with latest standards, premium Japanese capacitors, single powerful 12-volt rail, and extra long ATX 12-volt cable. Oh, interesting. Okay, so wow. So far, although we haven't gotten very far, it looks like they've done a lot of things right here. You got a user's manual, which is glued in. Okay, I'm expecting this to pretty much say the same things as the box. Yep. Okay. Thank you for choosing a Fractal Design Newton series power supply. For your convenience, we've enclosed some zip ties and Velcro straps in the bag for the modular cables. Well, okay then. Soft foam. Oh, compartmentalized soft foam. It's almost like a 2D puzzle game. Doop 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 doop. Oh, I can't get through. Power cable, nice thick one. Modular cable bag. Ooh. Haven't seen this design before. Folds over like that. Oh, I have seen something similar before, but not quite like this. So look at that. It's all like tidy. 800 watt plus. Oh, 800 watt plus only. I thought it meant 800 watt only. I was like, well, why did they include one? This is a 1000 watt power supply. Ooh, sexy ribbon cables. Love it. So I'm guessing the white end is the end that goes in the power supply, and the other end is the end that goes somewhere else. So there's your extra 8-pin. There's 2 PCIe, there's a few 3x SATAs. Look at that, they include different lengths, and they even look at that, they even label them for you. So you've got 4 3x SATAs, 2 2x Molexes, one with an auxiliary floppy, and then you've got some cable ties and screws, some Velcro, some plastic, and then silver screws. Oh, Fractal. Would have expected to see black screws, although with their cases, so if you pair this up with a Fractal case, the case is already going to include black screws for your power supply anyway. Alright, now let's check out the PSU itself. Very impressed so far though. Looks like they are serious business about coming after... Ooh, very nice. So that's either a 135mm or 140mm ball bearing fan in there. On the side, you're going to see a Fractal Design logo, very clean looking. I really like their logo. It's, like I said, very clean looking. On the top, again, you see a Fractal Design logo, very stylish. And on the other side, you see it's capable of providing up to 960 watts of its total 1000 watt output on the 12-volt rail. So it's a little lower than we've seen on some power supplies that are capable of almost the whole thing. However, I can't imagine a scenario where you would actually need to draw 1000 watts from the 12-volt rail itself. It is a single rail power supply, so you don't really have to think about what you're plugging. Alright, so here we are, guys, looking at the permanently attached cable. So it's a semi-modular power supply. You got a 20 plus 4-pin sleeved, not quite as close to the end as I would have normally liked to see. Alright, moving right along, we've got, what do we have here? Okay, we've got a 4 plus 4-pin, and that is a long cable. Look at that. It's almost 1 Linus arm length long. Pretty much it is 1 Linus arm length long, almost right to the armpit there. So that should be able to reach pretty much no matter what case you're using. It also comes with 2 pre-attached 6+2 plus 6+2, so dual 6+2 connectors. I like this design personally. It means you don't have to run as many cables up to your graphics card. You just run 1 per graphics card and then it splits out from there. So those are your included ones, and then optional stuff. So you can attach those additional 2 PCIEs, or you can attach 1 additional PCIe and 1 8-pin CPU power connector, and then you can attach 6 peripheral or SATA/floppy connectors as well. You got more ventilation holes here. You got ventilation holes in the back and the usual honeycomb configuration, as well as a power switch. So there's not a whole lot else to say at this point in time. Thank you for checking out my unboxing and first look at the Fractal Newton R3 1000W 80+ Platinum Power Supply. And don't forget to subscribe to Linus Tech Tips for more unboxings, reviews, and other computer videos.